This is Kestrel from Ink Me This to show you how to mix Jacquard PearlEx for calligraphy use. I'm putting 2 heaping spoonfuls of powdered pigment in a jar with 1 not so heaping spoonful of gum arabic. You can use less gum arabic, but I like almost a 2-to-1 ratio as it makes the ink stay quite raised on the paper for a nice tactile effect. I stir the dry solution a little to get the 2 powders evenly mixed and then add water until covering the mixture well. My goal is to end up with a liquid about the consistency of whole milk. I'm using a magnetic stirrer, which ensures the mixture will be very consistent. I test the ink with a nib and find it flows well on the downstrokes, but skips on the upstrokes. This means the ink is still too thick. After adding more water, the ink is flowing nicely on both the downstrokes and the upstrokes. You may also find you need to add water periodically as you work to compensate for evaporation. The final test is to wait for the ink to dry completely and rub my finger across the paper. If the pigment stays in place and no powder lifts onto my finger, I have added sufficient gum arabic.